This charming ranch-style home is located in the desirable Millstone Village neighborhood. Built in 1992, this property features 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and has 1,145 square feet of living space. Cathedral ceilings are found in the kitchen, great room, and master bedroom, opening the space up beautifully. Other cool design features include unique wall cutouts and niches. Don't worry about where to put all your shoes and accessories because the walk-in closet in the master bedroom has you covered. Newer flooring and paint throughout most of the home means that those finishing touches have already been done for you. Enjoy the nice-sized backyard, perfect for entertaining or having a recreation area. You've found what you're looking for because this home has it all. Conveniently located close to shopping and entertainment options, this is the ideal choice for those seeking both comfort and convenience. Don't miss out. Call Jim Owen for all the details.